Ever wondered why you keep attracting damaged men? Are you constantly confused about why he doesn't want to commit to you or why you find yourself in situationships? Well, don't worry, in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you to help you know why exactly you are always attracting damaged men into your life. Stay tuned. For godly relationship advice and dating tips, make sure to hit the subscription button so you are notified when I post a video on Sundays. I've helped countless women like yourself to understand how to date in a godly way in the modern world we find ourselves in. And now it's time for me to help you. So let's get started. The first reason you always attract damaged men is you have no idea what you want. Now, I've seen this a lot of the time, so don't deny this. The truth is, you do not know what you want. You have no idea what you desire in a partner. You have no idea why you desire an intimate relationship. You have no idea what you're bringing to the table, the value of yourself in a relationship. And so you allow any man into your life. The problem with this is you're going to end up compromising. Compromising means you will lower your standards. Lowering your standards, like I explained in the video right here, and I'm going to put an image right here. So make sure you check out that video. Lowering your standards means you compromise and you do not get what exactly God desires from you in a relationship, and you're more likely to date a damaged man. Now, this leads to my second point. Second reason you're always attracting damaged men is you date any man that shows interest. Now, a man that shows interest is different from a man that is invested. A man that shows interest will convince you, for instance, to take the least amount of effort that he is willing to offer in the relationship. You may end up double dating this man and he will convince you that it's completely normal, that you should go with the flow, that he is interested in you while he is dating other women, and it's completely normal for him to communicate once in a while and to ghost and disappear and reappear into your life. Does any of this sound familiar? That's because you have compromised, leading off from the first point. Now, the problem with this and why you keep attracting damaged men is you have no standards and your boundaries are non-existent. Now, I explained this in detail to members of the Wife in Waiting community, and I'll put a video right here of the masterclass we just had, which was amazing, where I went into detail on how to know a man is serious about you and has serious intentions. I explained to the ladies in the masterclass the difference between standards and boundaries and how they reflect in relationships. Listen, as a godly woman, we all have standards and boundaries. Standards are the security, they are the gate. For example, a standard amongst Christian men and women is not to date anyone that is not of the faith. Do not be unequally yoked. The boundary is like the door to your heart, like I explained in this masterclass I had with the membership. The door to your heart needs to be protected. Guard your heart, for out of it flows the issues of life. So when you do not have standards and when you have no boundaries, you find yourself dating men that are actually not in relationship with God but claim to be Christian. You find yourself dating men that say they do not want to be sexually active before marriage but push you towards that extent and in that extreme. And you find yourself in situations where you are attracting men that are not good for you and will push you further away from God instead of putting you closer to Him. Now, I want you to do a little exercise for me below and write down one standard and one boundary you need to exercise to avoid dating and attracting damaged men. Another reason you keep attracting damaged men into your life is simply because you keep repeating the same mistakes. Now, I see this, and I especially work with ladies on this in counseling. We also discuss this a lot in the membership through our master classes and the speakers we have on board. We've had a couple of speakers come to speak on different aspects of relationships. You keep attracting the same damaged men in different packages because you will not make adjustments to the mistakes you've made. You do not learn from your past relationships or situationships, as the case may be. So you keep attracting these damaged men into your life because you haven't moved from that spot. This means you need to stop having no standards and start exercising boundaries. It means you have to start knowing what you desire in a relationship and start placing value on your desires in a relationship. It means you need to stop making excuses and start knowing the difference between when a man is actually interested and when a man is ready to be invested in a relationship. These are just some quick reasons why you keep attracting damaged men. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the subscribe button below and the notification bell, and also like and comment subscribe. Okay. Now I want to talk to you quickly about the Wife in Waiting membership. It is such a powerful community that we have on WhatsApp. We meet every single day. We pray together. We share advice. We assist one another. We have speakers on board. We've had a master class, and we're going to have many more. It's a powerful membership, and to join is just $14 a month. If you are interested in being a member, click the link below or send me an email at tolu@tolufalode.com. Also, if you join my newsletter, you get access to how to recognize a godly man easily and 5 reasons you are still single today as free ebooks if you're part of the mailing list. Now, I'm sure you will also enjoy these other videos I have available to learn more about godly dating. Don't forget to share this video with a friend, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.